Hello, welcome to Academic School. Are you a student? Do you struggle to complete your homework? Do you struggle in understanding what to write, what the question says, how to resolve, how to solve, what to do? Well, if you are someone who is struggling with all of it, then we are here for you. Academic School has brought the amazing AI tool which is called Homework Helper. Yes, and all that it does is it's like a genie just a click away. All it does is it helps you in helping in creating your homework anytime, anywhere, within seconds. To access this amazing tool, all you need to do is you have to click on this tool, which is Homework Helper, right? Once you click on it, you have to write the subject. So let's say my subject is science, okay? And the homework type is actually a creative task. And I'm in 6th grade, let's say, okay? The homework details is that my assignment, I have to create a model on volcanic eruption. Now, I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to start. I don't know what to do. What are the steps? How to proceed? What should it have? What should it not have, right? So I've I've sought help from this tool, and all that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on generate, and I've clicked on it. I'll wait for it to do its magic, and meanwhile I'll sit back and relax. You can use this tool for any of the subjects, whether it's math, whether it's creative task, whether it's any sort of problem solving task as well. And here we are. I hope you can see what it has done is it has given me step-by-step instructions that choose the type of volcano, shield volcano, then the other one, then the third one. It has also listed the materials that I would require. Then it has given me step-by-step instructions to construct it. See, build your model, what I have to do, and then how I can make it erupt, right? See, add baking soda to the container. Amazing. And I hope you can see that how crisply it has just helped me get out of this situation of homework. Yes, see, well, even if you also struggle in doing homework, find access to our tool, which is Homework Helper, and take a sigh of relief by completing your homework with this school at Academic School. Happy homework.